167 north took the 19. We're on Calion Highway now. It's a silver Cadillac passion car out of Texas. Sam
CMS received.
We just turned on the Northwest Avenue. Speed 70, should be 37.
Are you going out of El Dorado or into El Dorado?
He just tossed a bag out, LSB Industries.
Dude. CMS time change.
TBI. Driver! Put your hands out the window! One, I got 1, 2 at gunpoint. Passenger, hands out the window! Driver, hands, now! Both of them! Don't move, you hear me? Warren, if I got somebody close so we can get these two out of this vehicle. Driver, I'm telling you, don't you put the hand back down. 38 round, you copy? If I got units close, so we can get these two out of this vehicle.
And make a right there in West Avenue.
You stay put. Hey, 30. Hey, slow down a bit. We're under this hill. We're under this hill. Slow down just a bit. You said tight. Passenger, hand, now.
CMS comments added.
How many you got? All right. All right, passenger, stay put. Driver, open the door with your left hand. Step out, hands up.
Keep your hands out, passenger.
Driver, hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Step back to me. Step back to the sound of my voice. Come on. 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 Come on.
I got lethal.
Hands up. Hands up. Don't move. Stupid. Come on, you're good. Open the door. Come on, you're good. All right. Face that way and walk back. Face that way and walk back to him. On you, Buck.
Keep coming, hands up. Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop. Take steps to your left. Your left. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop right there. Left hand behind your back.
So I'm just the passenger.
I don't care. We don't know that right now. We treat you just the way we did with him. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Give that other hand behind your back. Same one. Gotta be careful who you ride with. How much weed's in there? Oh, you tossed it? That's cool. We'll go get it. All right, is that too tight on you?
No.
All right, I ain't trying to hurt you. Stay right there. All right, walk over there to that officer right there and do exactly as he says. Yep. All right. Did you answer him? Good there. Where did they toss it at? I was...
That plan up there.
The LSD.
What is that plan?
LSD something. Hey, what'd you toss? We're gonna find it.
Pause. Before you self-incriminate yourself.
Read us right.
Silent.
I'm gonna go ahead and start looking. Is that you? Okay. Well, that was quick.
Hey, you got your camera recording?
Yep.